Beef Chow Fun, or dry-fried beef noodles, is one of Hong Kong's most iconic stir-fried dishes. It's a test of a chef's skill: silky rice noodles, tender beef, and that unmistakable wok hei aroma that makes every bite irresistible. Today on Mini Spoon Asia, we'll show you how to make restaurant-style beef chow fun right at home. Start by marinating the beef with soy sauce, sugar, white pepper, cornstarch, and a little oil. This helps tenderize the meat and gives it a smooth, velvety texture. Slice the onion, rinse the bean sprouts, and separate the rice noodles gently so they don't tear. Fresh rice noodles work best if they're cold or stiff. Let them soften at room temperature before cooking. Heat oil in a wok over high heat. Sear the beef just until it changes color, then remove and set aside. In the same wok, add a bit more oil, then stir-fry the onion and minced garlic until fragrant. Add the noodles and bean sprouts, tossing gently to coat them evenly in oil. Keep the heat high and your movements fast to prevent sticking. That's how you capture the true wok aroma. Return the beef to the wok, add light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a touch of sugar. Stir-fry everything together until the noodles are evenly coated with a deep, glossy color. Once you smell that signature smoky aroma, it's done. Garnish with chopped spring onions before serving. For the best results, your wok must be very hot, use enough oil, and keep everything moving quickly. Don't overcook the beef, and make sure the noodles are dry before frying. That's the secret to achieving that perfect restaurant-style wok hei. What you need is sliced beef, 200 grams, flat rice noodles, 300 grams, bean sprouts, 100 grams, sliced onion, 1 small, minced garlic, 2 cloves, light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon, dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon, oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon, sugar, 0.5 teaspoon, cornstarch for marinating, 1 teaspoon, cooking oil, 2 tablespoons, water if needed, salt and white pepper to taste, spring onion for garnish, and calories is approximately 210 kilocalories per 100 grams. If you love that classic Hong Kong street food flavor, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mini Spoon Asia, bringing the taste of Asia straight to your kitchen.